Whether we like it or not, government policy and regulation is everywhere, and in the broad sense, it sets the conditions under which we conduct our day-to-day activities, we conduct business and live our lives. Government and government agencies need to change. Government is responding by having a vision to create a single coherent ICT ecosystem that supports radically transformed public services, one that has people at the centre rather than service and agency needs. We're questioning the traditional siloed model of service delivery. One example in that space is the Smart Start program that provides step-by-step information and support for expecting parents to access the right services at the right time. We need to think about both the market we are regulating and the people who operate in it. Gone are the days where policy analysts think for months in a dark room. Who remembers those days? About the issue. We need to connect, as policy people, we need to connect with people and industry and co-produce the rules so that they work for people in a constantly changing environment. Policy advice has become more and more contestable as information and policy and analysis is becoming more and more accessible. We need to ensure that legislation is enabling. We currently have a bill going through Parliament, the Electronic Interactions Reform Bill. It's an omnibus bill. This is kind of the bit of the boring stuff that amends a range of legislation to enable digital interactions between individuals, businesses and government agencies. But importantly, that bill is the first step in a process that we'll be continuing the conversation with government agencies about to ensure system-wide legislation and regulations provides both the flexibility and certainty for the future ahead. In summary, the world is changing at an exponential rate and the game is changing, and therefore the rules of the game need to change. Policy practitioners are tasked with coming up with solutions to some of the issues that those changes raise. We need to face that task by thinking and doing in different ways and challenging our legislative and regulatory models. We need to engage in different ways with sectors, industries and people and work in different ways to co-produce the rules and standards. We need to adopt new ways of testing, learning and iterating as we go, remembering that technology is only one part of the solution to the issues we face as a nation.